eBooks, what they are and how to use them. What is an ebook? An ebook is a book that is available in an electronic format. If you look at a book that is available in print and as an ebook, you will find that the text is the same. How can I access ebooks? Ebooks can be accessed through the OneSearch. For example, we want to find an ebook about computer security. To search, just type in your search terms in a search box, and then select Books/eBooks from the drop-down menu. When you finish, click on the magnifying glass. The title, Risk Management for Computer Security, looks interesting. Click where it says Available Online. This takes you to the book information screen. Under the View Online heading, you can see that there are two links to get to the ebook. This tells us that two different providers have the text of the book. Campbell gets ebooks from a variety of providers. Each of the interfaces look different, but they each contain the same basic features. This is EBSCO's ebook collection, one of the providers of our ebooks. If you look on the right side of the screen, you can see some of the tools that are provided for you to use while reading the ebook. To get to the full text of the ebook, click on the PDF full text link on the left side of the screen. This is the cover of the book. To get to the text, you can flip through the book using the arrow keys on the bottom of the screen. You can also get to the text by going to the table of contents on the left side of the screen and clicking on the chapter that you want to read. This takes you to the beginning of that chapter. This is what the text of the book looks like. Please note that the table of contents is still on the left side of the screen and that the ebook tools are available on the top of the screen. There is also a tool that will let you search the contents of the ebook. In EBSCO, it is called Search Within. This is ProQuest's eBook Central, another one of the providers of our ebooks. To get to the full text of the book, click on the Read Online button, or click on the chapter that you would like to read. This is the front cover of the book. On the top of the screen are tools that you can use while using the ebook. To turn the pages of the book, click on the arrows at the top of the screen. This is what the full text of the book looks like. Note the icons on the left side of the screen. The magnifying glass will let you search the contents of the book. If you have any questions, you can call us at 910-893-1467. You can email us at reference@campbell.edu. You can chat with us by clicking on one of the Ask a Librarian buttons, or you can come to the Research Assistance desk.